Welcome to 14931 Glasgow Court in Tampa, Florida. This home is located in the popular Carrollwood area, close to all that Tampa has to offer. This location is so convenient. So let's take a look inside. As you walk into the front door, you'll walk into the living room. You have a raised dining room area. There's a pass-through window that leads to the kitchen. As you circle back around, you have sliding glass doors to the back porch, the living area, and your front entryway. And as you head to the right, you'll head back to the bedrooms. The guest bedroom has shelving already in place. And the second bedroom also has shelving in place, but it also has a built-in desk for your home office needs. At the end of the hallway, you'll have the guest bathroom. This has a shower and a tub. Now we've entered into the master suite, which has a walk-in closet, and it also has an en-suite bathroom. This bathroom also has a tub and a shower. As you go back to the entryway, we're going to go to the converted garage, which has a bonus room now. Can be used for a gym, a fourth bedroom, a media room. Great space. The backyard, beautifully landscaped with a fire pit area, screened in porch. There's a work shed back here. Great place to entertain. This home is waiting for you. Act fast, it won't last long. Hope you enjoyed the tour.